This video will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Vxug. My video will be only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting it. In my video, I'll just show you how damaging the ransomware is. And I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover the files, even though I cannot fully guarantee that I will help you to recover them. So before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles, pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Vxug ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. Because of that, very soon people realize that they can no longer access the data. The ransomware horribly encrypts files and then it just damages them. As a consequence, it is just impossible to use the files. The ransomware then tells the victims that they ought to pay a special ransom, supposedly for file restoration. Of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. So the ransomware actually appends this special random extension to the file names, and as a consequence it is impossible to use the files. This extension actually is the victim's unique ID, so it can be random in all these cases. To remove the ransomware, I recommend you to scan your computer with Combo Cleaner. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and once it is successfully installed, start thoroughly researching your system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.